All right. So, yes, like a quick round of introduction about myself. So, I'm Vishwanath. I'm a principal cloud security engineer. I used to work with like multiple technologies. And again, meanwhile, in our project also, we're using this Kafka Zookeeper. Have a good knowledge in the Kafka Zookeeper from the past, yeah, from the past, I think 4.5 years. I used to work from 2.112 version of Kafka to till now. So, is it audible, right, everyone? Hello.
Yes, yes, Vishwa.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Okay. So now, what exactly? So what is the Kafka Zookeeper, and again, what is the syllabus we are going to cover? So I'll share this, Naku. I will share this quickly. No. Thank you, Mamila. Is it my screen is visible, right?
Yes.
All right. So this is the syllabus I'm going to cover, like an introduction of Kafka Zookeeper, and again, what is the Kafka use cases, scenarios, Kafka architecture overview, producers, consumers, brokers, and again, Kafka fundamentals, and again, Zookeeper basics, Kafka installation, again, set up with the single broker nodes, and again, multi-broker nodes, and again, Kafka producers, consumers, and again, Kafka partition, again, replications, and again, Kafka internals, and again, tuning, and again, Zookeeper's advanced concepts, Kafka security, okay, and again, GUI mode of this Kafka cluster, and again, broker monitoring, administration tools, like all this, 16 topics will be having, but in this, we can cover at least 12 topics, which is very important one. So meanwhile, if we have a time, so we'll also cover complete syllabus on this. So that is one of the main thing. And anyone is working in the DevOps here?
Yes.
Sorry, who is that?
Yes.
Avinod.
Yeah.
Okay. So now one question. If you're working, like if anyone is working the DevOps, right? Definitely they are knowing the subject called as a Docker running in Kubernetes, right?
Yes.
Yes. So is there any architecture related to Kubernetes to the Kafka Zookeeper?
No. No, because basically I am a DBA, so I use the Kubernetes to deploy the databases. I'm not knowledge on that.
Okay,
Kafka.
great. So anyone, no one is having a knowledge in Kubernetes, right? I think.
Yeah, but I have knowledge on in Kubernetes.
There,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
Here we are using the Kubernetes.
Okay, right. So at least to understand what is a Kafka, what is his brokers, what is his replication factors, what is his partitions. So to understand those terminologies, I need to understand Kubernetes, because why means basically Kubernetes is a hard cake in the market. So it is a hard tool in the market. But what is that exactly? Because all this container application management it will do, right? Same thing here also, Kafka Zookeeper, what it will do, it is also doing the live event data streaming, like either in the publisher, either in the subscriptions, depending upon the event data streaming in the live datas. The same thing there also, container orchestration management. In the Kubernetes, we have a terminology is called cluster, nodes, pods, containers, right? Same thing.
yes,
There, one cluster is nothing but one master node, two worker nodes, generally, right? So one master node, what is a Kubernetes cluster? Collection of master node and again worker node is called as a Kubernetes cluster. In the master node, we have some different components. In the worker nodes, we have a different components, right? So now Kubernetes worker nodes and again pods and again containers. Collection of pods is called as a nodes. Collection of containers is called as a pods. And again, collection of master and again worker node is called as a one Kubernetes cluster. So the same terminologies here also. What is the Kafka architecture here? Kafka cluster, collection of broker nodes is called as a cluster, right? Again, got it right? So everyone, the same concepts.
Yes,
Now,
broker nodes
in this,
means client, right? Sir.
exactly.
Yeah.
Same thing, whatever we have in the Kubernetes worker nodes, right? Those worker nodes in the Kafka, we used to call it as a brokers. Next, inside that, in the Kubernetes worker nodes, we have a pods, right? Pods is nothing but collection of Docker containers. Same thing here. In the Kafka architecture, collection of worker nodes is called as a brokers. In that brokers, collection of partitions is called as a brokers. Okay, right? Before that partitions will be in which one? Topics wise, right? Those topics is also called as a pods. Clear, right? Again, so replication factors and again Kafka brokers and again Kafka cluster. What is a single broker node? What is this multi-broker nodes? Why Zookeeper is into the picture? All these things we can discuss now. And again, what is the partitions? And again, what is the replication factors? Why we need all these scenarios? What is the use cases? What exactly this Kafka Zookeeper is? When there is a RabbitMQ, when there is a Microsoft message queuing services, what it will do apart from this message queuing services, what Kafka Zookeeper will do more than this? Why industry is more relying on compared to RabbitMQ, compared to any message queuing services? Why many MNC companies, why many MNC companies in the sense, why many applications, either web application, either mobile application, either any kind of data relying on Kafka Zookeeper instead of message queuing services, right? So we'll discuss on this, all this point. So generally, before taking this topic, Kafka Zookeeper, what is this data streaming? What is this message queuing services? What is the subscriptions? Any idea on this basic knowledge? Hello, hello, hello.
No.
So at least we heard about like message queuing services, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like someone is going to publish message in topics like in messaging system, and who have subscribed those things, so those will get likes like this.
Yeah, that is also one of the point, correct? But other one?
The data streaming is moving the data between the when the live data you want to process, right? That is called streaming, right? So that live stream data is going to uh, uh, pass us to the source. That is called subscription, right?
All right.
That's what.
Okay. And before that, before taking this discussion, are you guys are looking for the completely Kafka Zookeeper administration level or developer level?
I am looking only for the administration.
Any other?
I'm looking for developer level.
Can you explain what is the major difference between development and admin?
Yeah, that
Yeah,
would be
definitely.
right, sir. Yeah, because maybe most of us are very much new to this topic. No.
Sir, one request actually, this topic Kafka. So whether to whom should attend this program? Because from my case, I'm into a BI engineer, kind of BI architect, having 12 years of experience, and working as a AWS plus Azure, data factory services and BI side. Should I learn this Kafka?
Sorry, one more time. Who is it, like Shaker, right? You are the
Yeah,
one.
Shekhar here.
Yeah, you're working as a cloud administrator, right?
No. I work as an architect, BI architect, and that's a bunch of technology I'm using and having 12 years of experience. Cloud I'm using right now, AWS Glue, and Azure also we're working, Data Factory and Databricks. So apart from that, should I learn this Kafka?
200% that is must and should in your IT career, actually. The reason why means you are into the role of data engineer role, right?
Yeah.
When you heard about the AWS services like AWS Glue and again Azure Data Factory and again Google Cloud Big Data Query, right? So all
Right.
this same thing. So as a data engineer, we should be strong knowledge should be message queuing services, especially live event data streaming concepts. I will explain that, like what exactly live event data streamings as a layman level. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so because especially data engineer, a data analyst, a data scientist, DevOps engineer, ML apps engineer, AI apps engineer, a data apps engineer. So what generally data scientist, data engineer, data analyst is nothing but all the three concepts is called as a data operations. I mean data apps engineering engineers, and again DevOps engineers, and again ML apps engineers. I mean machine learning operation engineers, and again generally what is that? Last but least, AI apps engineers. These are the operation engineers must and should know about this Kafka Zookeeper. Earlier, Kafka Zookeeper, before that, message queuing services will be available, right? So queuing is what messages will be, definitely it will be the path of queuing where it can be delivered to the end of the applications, either source path, either destination path. We'll discuss on this. Yes, in your sector, definitely it
Yeah.
is required, Shikhar. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So because also you also learn Snowflake, also Kafka Zookeeper, because data engineers, one data engineer should need to learn Snowflake is a data
Yes.
warehouse.
Yes. Currently, we are using Snowflake as a data warehouse.
Great. Snowflake and again message queuing services. Okay.
Okay.
Snowflake is nothing but data warehouse, and
Yeah.
again Kafka Zookeeper is nothing but generally it is a message queuing services where it can get the data from the live event data that it can be captured.
Okay.
Okay, that's a simple concept. All
Okay,
right.
sir. Okay.
Um,
Okay.
Yeah, all right. Even the meanwhile, I used to teach Snowflake also, Salesforce also, of
Okay.
course, also cybersecurity also, multiple technologies. So I
Okay,
work
sir.
as a senior.
I Vishwa, I have a question.
Yes.
Currently in Kafka environment, Zookeeper using or not using Zookeeper is necessary now to learn Zookeeper?
Latest version Zookeeper is not required. Instead of Zookeeper, we have a prompt.
Okay.
See,
So you are going.
sorry.
No. So you are going to Zookeeper with Zookeeper Kafka, and later on you are going to explain this also latest Kafka,
Exactly. Yeah.
and also event processing. Event processing between the different source and target systems, the logic you are going to give the coding level, what coding you are implementing for this Java coding or microservices, how it will be?
Yes. So Java coding and again Python coding. I'm basically Python developer, Python coding also, and again Java and again Node.js.
Node.js, okay. With Node.js, Kafka event processing, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
That it will be in AWS environment, right?
No, basically, what is that I'm very passionate about multiple technologies. The reason because generally we should learn Kafka Zookeeper in the manually as a administrator level and again developer level. Someone is asked the differences. I will tell that later. So as a developer
Okay.
level and again administration level, with how to set up the single brokers, how to set up with the multi brokers, both Windows platform and again Linux platform, and again after that, after we are working the on-premises setup level, then again in the AWS, Amazon Kafka, in Azure, if we have a time, we can also learn in the Azure also, right? And again, some sample data we can deploy into the any kind of storages from there. How to implement with the Shaker has been selling that AWS Glue is a ETL concept, extract, transform, load. How to gather the data and again how to send the data with a live Kafka Zookeeper and again how to visualize into the Power BI. That's a sample
Yeah, here
concept.
in Kafka, the main important is the handling the event processing. There is
Exactly.
a different case scenarios are there. Even some events is which is not delivered, and some events is coming last year. Event today is coming. The event how we will handle why that events are coming. This type of logic you are going to explain in Node.js or Java,
Yes.
whatever
Both the languages.
language you're using.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the important here. Kafka is a small subject and is a big subject. Kafka, seeing a YouTube, there is a one or two YouTube samples. If we take down, right, we can install Zookeeper brokers and all. We can do it. But the clear cut important what we are expecting is the event processing. There is a different case use case are there. That is important. You are going to teach the concentrate more on that.
Yes, definitely. As a developer level also, we can avoid this word. Yeah.
The developer level, that is the important thing, because the events different scenarios use cases are there. different failed messages, how you are handling, and some message last month message today coming. Some window based or something is there. I don't know. I'm not sure. I came to learn, but I am putting unnecessary questions. I don't know. But my requirement is the more concentration on event processing.
Okay. So very great actually, Shesh, this is what the
Yeah.
interaction required in the, what is that, demo classes and again other live classes, because some of them will join for like some expectations. Sometimes it will not able to meet that requirements, that we don't want any false positive or false negative inputs. So that's why like very
Yes.
good. Yes, definitely. And all the administrator, right? Definitely they are also like
Yeah.
very eager to learn this integration, because as a developers, sometimes as a DevOps engineers, they will not worry about this all this kind of integrations and again all this kind of like event handling, because what DevOps engineers will do, they will be creating the clusters, brokers installations, and again we will be making like an easy smooth way of communications. That's it. But as a developers level, in the properties.json file, how to configure this one events handling, so that like as a developer level, I'll be teaching with like two projects for that.
Yeah. That's important to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You said
Before that,
something.
yes, please. Yeah.
Said, you said something on Zookeeper. Zookeeper, and what is the another one without Zookeeper? What you are going to use?
Craft is the latest one.
Craft is that is like a Zookeeper or something, any technology that is.
Kafka is default inbuilt with
Okay.
Craft. Zookeeper we are using, but still also.
Okay. Because some of the projects now in this people are not using Zookeeper. Some project without Zookeeper, Kafka is implementing now.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm done. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Continue. Thanks for your answers.
Any questions apart from this, anyone?
Hello, Vishwas.
Yes, please, yes, please. Hello. Yes, yes. Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah. This is audible, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Anyone? Who is that?
Hello.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yeah, Vishwas.
Yes, yes. It's audible to me. Yes, please. Carry on.
I am audible. Means what will be the job profile in Kafka actually? So learning Kafka and one CoreJava and Kafka libraries is enough.
Yeah, that's more than enough. Yeah. Are you a developer? I mean, basically.
Could you please little bit louder because it seems
No,
you.
are you a developer, Nilesh?
Huh?
Are you a developer?
Yeah, I'm a means other developer, but not on Java. But I have hands-on on Java.
Great, great. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Yes. Yeah. So can you please repeat your question once again?
My question is that means what all are the possibilities with Kafka available, means what kind of a job roles are there in the Kafka, and other than Kafka, what exactly we need to learn to get the job in the market actually.
Yes. See, basically, as the developers, they should know how to integrate and again how to handle the multiple brokers, replication factors, how to handle the multiple events with the different streams, and again how to distribute the if there's a 10 messages going to the 5 topics, how to distribute like two topics to one, two messages to the one topic, and again two partition to one more topic, and again how to make this replication factor with high availability. That is what as a developer level they should know. And again administrator level, how to set up this one cluster, and again how to make this high availability with the replication factors. Again, he also involves for that. And again end-to-end cluster setups, and again cluster high availability, and again without downtime maintenance broker nodes. That is a responsibility from Kafka Zookeeper administrator level as a GUI mode, and again user group management level, and again also like security management, security implementations with Kafka Zookeeper. Those are the things important for you. So the roles will be available after this Kafka Zookeeper. Two roles. One is Kafka Zookeeper administrator, other one is developer level. Only the two roles will be available on this. For every DevOps engineer or only the Kafka Zookeeper administration, you can upload in your CV. Example, all the roles and responsibilities only Kafka Zookeeper. Definitely it will be available for the Kafka administrator job only. So because Kafka Zookeeper is a main job they designed only for the administrator level jobs.
And this course, we are covering administrator as well as development both.
Yes. Development level, I'm taking this Python project and I can also Node.js and I can also Java project. Sample application, we can deploy it into the event streamings. And again, administrator level, how to set up the cluster with a single broker in Linux machine, single broker in Windows machine, and again, 3 brokers in Windows machine, 3 brokers, and again, 3 zookeepers in Linux machine. So, and again, GUI mode operations, how to make a user level management, and again, how to make security also, all these things both. User and again, administrative level and again, developer level both.
Yeah, but my question is that means, is it this course covering developer level syllabus or administrator level syllabus? Means
Both the syllabus, both the syllabus.
both the syllabus. And this job, this batch is weekend job or weekend batch or what?
Weekend batch, only weekend batch, 4 to 5 weekends.
1 to 5 weekends. Still means what time?
4 to 5 weekends. And again, the timings will be like, 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock.
Up to 1 o'clock means weekend 4 hours.
Is there any possibility moving for moving before 9:30 or 10?
No, actually, my timings was scheduled at the time. So because I do have like other batches with the cyber security, that's why.
11 o'clock means the time is going to be very some remotely it's little bit
No,
tough.
I understand. So, but or else I can schedule at like 9 o'clock. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
9 a.m. batch. Sorry. This is 9 a.m. batch, not 11 a.m. batch,
9
9 a.m. batch.
9 a.m. batch is a good. 9 a.m. batch means the times are suitable for our timings.
Yes, it's a 9 a.m. batch. Sorry, I forgot. I thought like it's a cyber security. Sorry, 9 a.m. batch only.
Yeah, if because we are interested, I'm interested because we are going to teach the basics on the installation and administration level and
Yeah,
some Node.js. Kafka, basically, what I have basic knowledge with Kafka goes with microservices and some other environment with Node.js. Two diversions. Kafka microservices are very demanding now in the market.
yeah. Generally, I need to ask one question for you, Shesh. Like, generally, okay. So, what is
Yeah.
microservices?
Microservices in the sense is generally previously we have a monolithic applications, a single jar applications. That is a big, huge. I know if you have any development or changes requirement, and those are we need to touch all the code in microservices, right? Every feature we will develop a single jar. Those microservices can be deployed in any Kubernetes and Docker containers, and that easy to maintain rapid development is possible in microservices. So in Kafka environment, we can make as a producer consumer, one microservice as a producer, another microservice as a consumer. In between, Kafka will process the events and hand over the events to the microservices or any target applications.
Okay.
So microservices are tiny programs, not like monolithic applications last 5 years, 6 years back, how the software development was. It was not like.
Okay. Generally, correct me what I understand here. So, from your
Yeah.
input. So, example www.shesha.com, www.sankalp.com, www.vishwa.com. Like, we have like a 4 web application. For that, earlier we have a monolithic application. For 4 application, we required a 4 servers and again 4 database servers, all these things, right?
Yeah.
It's like a monolithic,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? Okay. So to cross or it's like to reduce that infrastructure, we required what is it? Microservices, Docker and again Kubernetes.
Yes.
Great. Okay. That is absolutely one point is correct. But the main point is here microservices, whenever we heard about Docker and again Kubernetes. So again, this is one more inputs from my end. So yeah, this is like one single broker node and again offset, like how many partitions, how many Kafka is created. So all these things, tomorrow we can see the live demo, how to create all these things. But before, what is microservices? What is monolithic applications? What is serverless application? We'll talk about now. Because for monolithic application also we required live event data streaming, especially from the Kafka zookeeper. But earlier cases, they used to work with RabbitMQs. But nowadays for microservices, yes, absolutely what Shesh said, like, we required Kafka zookeeper also. But
For
microservice,
asynchronous communication, right?
yes. And again, meanwhile, before taking this microservices, earlier, I will give that what exactly microservices. Microservices means not Docker or not the Kubernetes. Example, take an example, www.sheshu.com. That application is a banking application. In that banking application, earlier, before 2018, before 2020, still monolithic applications also running. But before this microservices are came into the picture after 2020 onwards. Before that, what is that exactly they're working? Is www.sbibank.com. If I click that application, that page will take minimum 3 to 4 seconds to load the web page, right? And again, in that payments, and again login page, and again download statements, and again credit card informations, and again transfer the amount. Everything it will take like minimum 3 to 5 seconds of the page reloading, right? Those are called as a monolithic applications. But nowadays, what they did for each and every child application, they created one of the microservices, not Docker or not Kubernetes, right? What is this microservice? For login page, there is one small code. And again, for payment transactions, one more small code. And again, for login page, and again, for payment gateways, for transactions, for download payment or download bank statements, those and all different snippets. Those snippets, they converted as a small binary. That binary we will call from the Docker file. This is called as a microservices. How they are calling this? By through the post APIs, through the API calls. For that API calls, to call that and again to get the live data streamings, we require Kafka zookeeper to constantly get the data streaming. Now you got it right. Where exactly we are using the Kafka zookeeper, how exactly the data will be captured, and again what exactly the microservices. So this collection of small pieces of code is called as a microservices. Those microservices, I cannot able to deploy directly that binary to the machine. So that's why what we did. So we created with Docker is a company name. Container is a platform. That container is nothing but sharing the operating system resources. Example, binary, libraries, kernels, those binaries which is built with the Docker files, that is only converting, that is called as a microservices. Now I think everyone clear, right? Any confusions? Is it clear, Shishu?
No, the last parts are a little bit faster. Now
Sorry?
these individual executables or individual services, they are deployed in
Exactly.
Docker
With the
platform,
help of Docker
containerized.
files. Yes.
After
And
that, you touched about API and Zookeeper. Could you please repeat it?
Sorry. Yes, please come again.
Okay. Say till Dockerization or containerization, I understood, like microservices. Each and every feature or functionality, it is packed as a jar or an executable, and then it is deployed into a container. Okay.
Yes.
After that, what happens?
After that, either we can keep the message queuing services in the API call wise to get the data, or else apart from this post APIs also we can get the data like this. I said like there we can keep it out.
Okay. What is the difference basically API and messaging queue? How they are different? API also request and response. Message queue also like it is not request and response. Message queue is like one-way flow.
No, just take an example. Suppose if I hit the APIs,
store may be closed.
get e-commerce, say suppose www.advenced.com. If I logged in that pages, what and all the latest availability phones, that is the first get method we will be doing that, right?
Yes, correct.
In that get method, the live data streams will be going on. It will be coming that back to back messages. That messages can be distributed with the help of Kafka zookeepers. That the partitions, that topics can be involved in that code. So that's what I said in the get methods.
Okay.
Got it right?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah. So I'm more passionate about development level. So meanwhile, I'm a principal cloud security engineer in the Google, but this is my passion about different technologies. So this is the
Flight left to
because
start
I do
action
my own freelancing, and again I have a separate companies to develop multiple applications, e-commerce applications, and again banking applications. Bandhan Banks. I'm also one of the client developer for that separate business. So the same thing for that scenarios I can explain in this depth level. Yeah. Any questions now? Still any more?
Hello, Vishwas.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, yes. Yeah.
I do have one question actually.
Yes, please. Yeah.
So what is the difference between Apache Pulsar and Kafka actually?
Sorry.
Masood Ali's store may be closed.
One second. One second.
Hello?
Now you are audible to me. What is that?
Vishwas, I just asked what is the difference between Apache Kafka and Apache Pulsar actually?
Okay, Apache Pulsar and again Kafka, right?
Uh-huh.
Yes. So is it audible right now? Okay, fine. See, both are message giving services only, but the Kafka is nothing but live data streaming one. But where the Kafka can be giving the publisher and again publisher and again sub, what is it? Pub and again sub methods, okay? But the Apache Pulsar is completely, it is a cloud native one. I mean, cloud services one. But Kafka is not a cloud based one. But both are same activities and again same stuff. Hello? You got it right? Hello?
Yeah, but there is also in trending in market that is Confluent Kafka. What is that actually?
See, Pulsar has a different, support. Pulsar has a built-in supports. What is the built-in supports? Without Zookeeper, without any craft, it is automatically to be doing the I through output latency message queuing services. But Kafka is depending upon craft and again Zookeeper. That is the main thing. And again, Pulsar is cloud-based tools. But we should also consider that scalability and again multi-tenants mode and again how to handle with real-time data, all this. Is it?
And what is Confluent Kafka?
Actually, Pulsar is kind of same platform, right? Which is used.
Pulsar and again Kafka both are same, but Pulsar is a cloud-based tool. That's it.
Okay. But yeah, but it has a different storage, right? Means multi-layer storage and means it is not monolithic like Apache Kafka.
Sorry, I got some call. Can you please come again this question one more time? Hello, hello. Hello, is it audible now? Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello, Adinaran, Altaf, Ilvis.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, you are audible. You are
All
audible.
right. All right, right. So someone is asking a question. I think I'll ask that one. I got one call, sorry.
No, he is asking like Apache Kafka is a monolithic and
Yeah, Apache Kafka and Pulsar, right? Yes. Yeah, I said Pulsar is a cloud-based tool, and again Kafka Zookeeper is a open source. Both are open source only, but Pulsar is cloud-based tool, and again, but Pulsar it will do support multi-tenants mode, and again with high availability. But this Kafka Zookeeper, everything we should maintain it, and again it's a self-managed one.
and one thing like what is Confluent Kafka?
Confluent Kafka is a like other proprietary tools. Confluent is a company name. Kafka is a
Means
tool which is developed by
department providing
Apache.
same.
Same thing. This is Apache Kafka. That is Confluent Kafka. Confluent is a company. Like in Docker, we have in a container platform, Docker is a company name. Like this Docker, we have a Rocket, and you can Microsoft Linux containers, Microsoft containers, and you can Podman, No Pod. So all these like computation tools. Same thing, Apache Kafka, Apache Pulsar, and you can Confluent Kafka.
They are the service provider, like Vishwa, like
Yes.
Hadoop and
Link
Hortonworks.
also, right?
Yes. All right. So
Link
tomorrow
also,
we'll
right?
do this. Okay. I think like this is a like Kafka one, Kafka node here. One Kafka broker netup. So this is like this is the brokers I did. Some brokers I created. Some topics I created. These are the two topics I created here. Clusters. And again Venkat Saikat Solomon is a one topic. And again these are the brokers. One broker node is available here. And again two topics I created. And again messages I sent it. So all these things, tomorrow in the demo class, we can do this complete lab setup with a single master node and we can two broker nodes also. Overall, like, very well wish to continue these classes. Happy to join these classes.
Can
And
you
again, we'll
give
complete like our syllabus.
overview about mean,
This
hello,
was
hello.
tomorrow at what time?
Tomorrow at the same time only, 11:30, demo class.
Okay, about next week onwards, 9 o'clock.
Yes, next week onwards. So this week is completely, what is it, a demo.
Demo.
Next week is completely on the live classes. Tomorrow, the more practical with this cluster setups, and again, what is the topics, partitions, replication factors, how to send the messages, how to send the producers messages, consumer messages, and again, how to load the data, all these things, yeah.
Vishwa,
What
actually,
thing we will get out of recording videos or notes? What?
Sorry?
Hello. As part of this,
Yes,
what
yes,
we
yes,
will
yes.
get? As part of notes, recording videos.
Yes, recorded videos will get it, and again, complete documentation, installation setups, and again, coding wise, everything, the documentation, again, recording videos also.
So that recording video is available till lifetime or means
Yeah, I think Google Drive, they'll be uploading lifetime, or else like we can also create, we can also record our session, and again, we can also keep it out our areas.
yeah, but they offer lifetime or what?
Yes, it's a lifetime only.
you can download that from Google Drive and save
Yes,
it.
yes.
They don't give the download permission. I have been few of the courses means through DurgaSoft, but they give it for 6 months and they remove download permissions actually.
Okay, see, this is a left side is a consumers, left side is a producer, and again, right side is a consumer. So whatever the message I'm typing here, automatically it is coming. Here. See here. Hi all. So welcome. See, whatever the message I'm printing here, automatically the message is coming here. Right? The message is coming here. See? Welcome. Seshu. Like this.
So Vishwa, these things actually previously I did it, but is this the in the real time we'll do like development Kafka like this way or some
Welcome
other
and issue
thing?
is not appeared, Vishwas.
No, just like, I did like, control C, I exited, so that's why it is not coming. So tomorrow we'll do this single broker setups and you can sending the messages, all these things, okay?
Vishwa, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so I checked with DurgaSoft, they're telling 11:30 batch or it's a 9 a.m. batch. Can you confirm? Because 11:30, then only I will join.
No, I'll tell the timings for them.
Yeah.
9 a.m. batch or 11. I think
Because 9
9
a.m. you already have a batch that they are telling right now. I just checked with them.
Yeah, because next week and it will complete. I'll tell them, don't worry.
Okay.
So anyone, any confusions till now?
You
Or we are
what?
clear?
Yes, yes.
So
Keep
what
same
is
timing for the weekend, right?
Tomorrow, in depth, like, we can discuss about architecture, how to create a clusters, brokers, all these things, okay? Just please, like someone is asking question.
no? What is the timings? Timings, that's the important. Timing is if 11 o'clock means. I think someone is saying that he wanted 11 o'clock.
Yes.
Yes.
I will discuss with timings
Is
actually.
there any possibility move up at least 10 o'clock?
This is yeah. Anyway, after demo, tomorrow demos class, right? So I will confirm with the timings, and again, any other batches are running or not. So yeah, I will tell you that tomorrow. Okay. I think most probably 80% is 9 o'clock, 20% is 11:30.
But tomorrow is
Hello. Yes, yes, tomorrow is 11:30 is the demo.
Okay, we will discuss tomorrow evening. Okay, guys.
So thank you everyone. So are we good for today's session, right? Thank you everyone. So we'll meet tomorrow then. Okay.
I have added one question on chat box. Can you please?
Sorry, please, your voice is breaking.
I have added
Telex,
one question in chat box.
Telex is good.
Yes.
So the terminologies I'm adding, listening first time. What is this Telex?
Trellix is a McAfee organization I have offer in Bangalore. So you have any idea about that?
Okay, Telex company.
Yes, yes.
Wait. I'll ping my number actually. Actually, I'm driving the car and again I'm taking the class actually. That's one of the thing here. So okay, fine. So Telex, right? See, my number is, please take everyone. So I will text my number. Any questions, any pings right now? Please ping me that. Like I will encode that one. I can give the information. It's 78927. This is my number. Yeah, please ping me. So I'll reply like after 15 minutes for this like Telex, right? I think Telex,
Yeah.
Telex, Bangalore. Which area it is? Where is the
It
office?
is a per developer.
No. Where is the office location? Can you find out
Office,
that?
I don't.
No. If you tell the area, I will tell that.
I don't know because that. Okay, it is our previously McAfee antivirus.
Yeah, yes.
Hello, McAfee antivirus previously.
Got it. McAfee Antivirus. Yeah, it is good company only. No worries. I think it is in Marathon. No. It is in Whitefield. Okay. Anyway, so we'll meet tomorrow then again.
What is the number? Where you shared the number?
Yes.
I shared, I think, okay, not for everyone, only that message I shared. Okay, I will be sending my message. Yeah, I shared my number again one more time.
One small doubt, sir. Class timing.
Yeah,
11:30.
tomorrow discuss, like, most probably because that new batch is going to complete. So almost 9 o'clock only. I will discuss with the team. Yeah.
9 to 11, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Trelex is a good company actually. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. So we'll meet tomorrow then. Okay.
Thank
Thank you. Thanks.